In this video, we'll walk through the complete guide to competitor tracking in CitedSpy. Start by navigating to your CitedSpy dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Brands and Competitors. Once the page loads, you'll be able to see all of your currently listed competitors. To add a new competitor, scroll down and click the Add Competitor button. First, choose an avatar color and enter the competitor name and their initials. Next, enter their primary domain URL. Then, select the appropriate category and add a brief description for context. Under the Analysis and Spelling section, you can add competitor aliases and name variations. This helps the AI accurately identify all mentions of that competitor across search results. Once you've filled in the details, click Create Competitor and select Save Changes. To manage ongoing tracking, on the Brands and Competitors page, you can temporarily stop tracking any competitor by clicking Pause. When you want to start tracking them again, simply click Resume. If you have duplicate entries, you can use the Merge feature. Click the Merge icon next to the competitor, select the matching competitor from the list, and confirm to merge their data into a single profile. Finally, to edit or remove a competitor, click directly on any competitor in your list to update their details or settings. If you no longer need to track them, you can also permanently delete them from here. Then click Save Changes to update your dashboard. And that's how you manage and track competitors in CitedSpy. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to the channel for more product guides and tutorials.